To download the HoloLight Space client, open your browser and go to hololight.com. Navigate to our download section where you will find everything you need. Scroll down and click on HoloLight Space Client for Magic Leap 2. The download will automatically start. In order to install apps on the Magic Leap 2, you need the Magic Leap Hub. Navigate to the download page in your browser. Download the program and click through the installation process. As soon as the installation is finished, we continue our next step in the device. Put the Magic Leap 2 on and start the processing unit. To enable developer mode, you need to click on Settings. At the bottom, hit System Settings. Then click on Advanced and hit Developer Options. Here, make sure to activate Magic Leap Developer Mode. Also click the slider for Disable USB Connection dialog. This allows you to transfer files from your PC to the Magic Leap. To ensure that everything works, enable the other two sliders as seen in the video. Connect the processing unit with a USB-C cable to the PC. Now we switch over to the Magic Leap Hub and start the device bridge. As soon as you connect the Magic Leap 2 with the PC, it gets detected. Navigate to the Files tab. Hit Install App and double-click on the Magic Leap 2 client we downloaded before and wait for the installation to be finished. In the main menu, you will find a new app called Space. With one click, the client will start and you can connect to your HoloLight Space server. Congrats! You have successfully installed HoloLight Space on your Magic Leap 2.